where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. Today I want to share tips with you on how to care for your snake plants. Snake plants are ideal for beginners because they are low maintenance, tolerate various light conditions, and are drought tolerant. Thrive on neglect. Snake plant is scientifically classified as a Dracaena species, but it was formerly known as a Sansevieria. Snake plant Dracaena is native to Africa, with its natural habitat spanning tropical and subtropical dry, rocky regions, particularly in West Africa, from Nigeria east to the Congo. It is widely cultivated as a houseplant worldwide due to its low maintenance and tolerance for various conditions. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. Ensure the pot has draining holes to allow excess water to escape. Watering. Water only when the soil is completely dry to the touch. Water deeply until the water drains from the bottom of the pot. Reduce watering in fall and winter as the plant grows less during colder months. The water is now draining from the bottom of the pot. Don't let your plant sit in water. Get rid of the excess water. How to fertilize your snake plant. I am using all-purpose plant food. Shake your bottle well. This is essential because stratified fertilizer will lead to uneven nutrient delivery to plants, potentially causing damage like discoloration or bare spots. Always mix liquid fertilizer at half the strength recommended on the package instruction to protect the roots. Shake well. Watering plants before applying fertilizer is important. Moist soil ensures fertilizer dissolves and reaches the roots, preventing it from burning the plant or evaporating. And it also helps to ensure the plant is hydrated and ready to absorb the nutrients, while adequate moisture also allows for uniform distribution into the root zone. Light. Snake plants can tolerate low light condition but thrives in bright indirect sunlight. Avoid prolonged direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Snake plant stretches because it is receiving inadequate light and it's reaching for a brighter source of light. To fix this, gradually move the plant to a location with bright indirect light. Temperature and humidity. Snake plants prefer warm temperature. They are not demanding on high humidity and can do well in typical household environments. Dust the broad leaves with a damp cloth to allow the plant to absorb light effectively. Repot the plant after a few years if it looks like it's outgrowing its pot. Divide the plant at the roots and repot the new section into a well-draining soil. These plants have been well watered. I will go ahead and fertilize them. With my experience growing snake plants, I have noticed that they don't require a whole lot of fertilizing. Sometimes I do it first thing in spring and then in summer, sometimes once a year, and that's it. I have noticed they're not demanding when it comes to being fertilized. Looks like a tiny baby ghost plant is growing in there, so I will leave it alone. This plant was a propagation of the golden honey eye, and it reverts back to the original color. So all variegated propagation by cuttings will revert back. Only by separation that it will keep its variegation. This plant has suffered sunburn and I have closed the curtains. But hopefully the new leaves, when they come through, they will be normal, they won't be damaged. So I have turned it around so that it can have even sunburn, if it makes sense. And it's still growing strong and tall and tall and tall. I have measured one of the Trifasciata plant and it measured 1.7 meters tall. Not only do these plants offer decorative appeal, but have benefits. Snake plants are easy to propagate, allowing you to easily grow more plants for free. Snake plants are effective at filtering common household toxins from the air. Nighttime oxygen. They have a unique ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen during the night, which can improve sleep quality and create a healthier indoor environment. And also, by removing airborne toxins and dust particles, snake plants can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory problems and airborne allergens. These plants release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration, which can help humidify dry indoor environments. This low-maintenance plant is known for being drought-tolerant and easy to care for, making them an ideal choice for beginners and busy individuals. Caring for indoor plants can reduce stress and promote feeling of well-being, while their calming presence can enhance productivity and concentration that will aid in mental health. Spiritual benefit of this plant. Its positive energy and protection. Snake plants are thought to attract positive energy, chai, into a home and act as a shield against negative energy. Placing them at an entrance can help prevent bad energy from entering. These plants are believed to bring good luck, money, and overall prosperity into a home or office. The presence of a snake plant can promote a sense of calm and enhance mental clarity and well-being. Due to the ability to filter indoor air, snake plants symbolize cleanliness and are seen as purifiers of negative energy in the environment. The resilience of the plant itself, which can withstand challenging conditions, is also seen as a symbolic representation of persistence and happiness. And I have seen personally with my own experience the peace and the joy these plants bring. Place your snake plants near the entrance of your home or east or southeast direction are considered ideal for inviting positive energy, good health, and abundance. Or in your living room, they can be placed in a living area to create a more welcoming atmosphere and absorb negative energy. Historically, snake plants' leaves or sap was used for skin ailments, wounds, burns, due to their antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Snake plants are excellent for styling homes due to their striking architectural form. They are beautiful to look at, they are beautiful to style with, they are beautiful to enhance any space, any area, indoors and outdoors. You can have a beautiful display in a vase all year round. Take your cuttings, put them in water, and voila, a beautiful greenery display. I will link the video when I did this propagation of this plant. And I did a video repotting this plant, and it looks like I will need to repot this plant or separate so that they can have their individual space, because it looks like they are overcrouching each other, but they still look amazing. I love this plant. This is one of my favorite plants. So I'm thinking of just repotting it so that all the individual plants can find their space. And snake plants like to be root bound. This one is also my favorite. I know it, my favorite. Let's remove the weeds from this plant. Initially, I started with one in this pot. It was a smaller pot 3 years back. I only had one small plant in here. One. And I think is this one here that has a crack on the stem here. This gave me 2 babies, and then the 2 babies gave more babies and more babies, and I just repot, and then it keeps filling up. So I will not separate it. I'll just keep repotting it, and I want to see how far it will grow and get. So this is one of my favorite plant. Started with one plant in this pot. This is the update of the propagation, the video. I will link it below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you soon.